In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Reddit. Let's keep this simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to reddit.com/login. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the official Reddit site. This small check helps you stay safe and ensures everything works as expected. On the login page, you'll see several sign-in options. Reddit lets you log in with a phone number, with Google, with Apple, with a one-time email link, or by using your email or username together with a password. Choose the same method you used when you first created your Reddit account. That keeps things consistent and avoids errors. If you originally signed up with a third-party option like Google or Apple, just click that button and follow the familiar prompts from that provider. If you've set up the phone number option, you'll receive a code to enter. And if you prefer something quick, the one-time email link sends a temporary sign-in link to your inbox. For this walkthrough though, we'll use the classic email or username and password. Click into the first field and type either your Reddit email address or your Reddit username. Both work, as long as they're tied to your account. Watch out for accidental spaces at the beginning or end, and keep an eye on autocorrect, especially on mobile. Usernames aren't case sensitive on Reddit, but it's still good to match what you usually use. Next, move to the password field and enter your Reddit password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and that any special characters are correct. If the page shows a small eye icon, you can use it to briefly reveal what you typed and confirm there aren't any mistakes. Once both fields look good, select log in or press enter on your keyboard. You should see a quick loading moment, and then you'll land on your Reddit home feed or the last page you visited. That's your confirmation that you're signed in successfully. If the login doesn't go through, double check for typos in your email, username, or password. Also consider whether you might have created the account using Google, Apple, a phone number, or the one-time email link, and try that same method instead. Avoid too many rapid retries, as that can temporarily pause login attempts. And if you ever need help, the links on the login page can guide you through account support. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to log into Reddit quickly and confidently. Keep your credentials private, especially on shared devices, and you'll be good to go.